Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google app on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. If it's your first time installing an app, don't worry. You can follow these same steps. First things first, let's find the App Store. It's a default app on your iPhone. Go ahead and tap to open it. Now go to the Search tab at the bottom and type in Google in the search bar. The first result should be the Google app. It's the one we want. There's also Google Chrome, but we're focusing on the Google app today. Tap the Install button next to the Google app. It might ask you for your Apple ID password or prompt for Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your settings. Once it starts downloading, it will automatically install on your device too. You can exit the App Store or keep waiting for the app to install. Once it's done, you'll see it on your home screen. Now, go ahead and tap to open the Google app. And there you go. Google is ready to be used on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and turn on notifications for our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.